Hello, students. A Sound of Thunder, written by Ray Bradbury. This is a short story he has written to bring awareness for all of us about the importance of making decisions when it comes to deal with nature. We are very much unmindful. We don't actually think about the natural balance in this nature. We make mistakes. As a result, there will be profound consequences beyond any repair. It's been happening from the time immemorial for some decades and centuries. Man has become greedy. He has been exploring so many things while exploiting largely. This has become a very common thing for him. The fossil fuels and their reservoirs, in fact, have already become extinct. We have to depend on different sources of energy: wind energy, nuclear energy. That is the, at the moment, prerequisite. Well, we have so many needs. In order to meet our needs and requirements, are we giving importance to the stability and future of this nature? So, water, soil, air. Firstly, we should not forget about the forests and their lifetime. We have been programmed to make mistakes. Human beings are programmed to make mistakes. But what are we learning out of our mistakes? Do we give importance to learning, or do we just keep moving ahead with all um, fantasies to exploit the nature? These are the few background themes with which Ray Bradbury tries to picturize the calamitous and catastrophic events that might take place if we are unmindful. And a small incident of Eccles in this lesson features how, if one insect is crushed, the dependent animals on a large scale, it's like chain process, will will get annihilated, will become extinct. So, in the period of about 1,000 years and lakhs of years, millions of years,